Okay, left hand side reciprocal, right hand side complementary. So what is complementary, students? If I take sine theta, it is complementary of sine is cos 90 minus theta. If I take cos theta, what is the complementary? Sine. Okay, if I write sine 25 degrees, what's the answer for sine 25? 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 is how much? 65. If I write cosec 19 degrees, tell me the complementary. If I ask reciprocal, no, 1 minute. If I ask reciprocal, what's the answer? Look at left hand side. Left hand side, 1 by side 19. This is reciprocal. Okay. Tell me complementary. What is 90 minus 19? The answer is 71. Can you see these two answers? So the meaning of complementary is these two angles, if you add together, you should get 90 degrees. Are we getting 90? 90. Okay. Now, first we'll complete board exams. Question based on complementary. See, I'll tell you all the stories. 2000. Look, when was the reason? Last time they had given us 2010. Can you see 2010? It was given in 2010. So let me write here. See, I'll tell you how to solve. Keep sine 35 as it is. What is cos 55? Sine? No. 90 minus 55. Just put 90 minus 55. Okay. Keep one value as it is. Change the other value, students. Keep 1. Plus. Keep cos 35. Now tell me for this one. What is sine? 90 minus, write that angle. Minus 55 divided by cosec square. Keep it as it is. Keep one value as it is. Change the other value. What is tan square? Complementary of tan is 90 minus. First go through the question. Copy the question, all of you. Copy the question. See the way I've done conversion. After this, I'll teach you a trigonometry table, and tomorrow I'll make you all solve heights and distance question. Okay, now change the value, students. Sine 35. What is 90 minus 55? Plus cos 35 into what is cos 90 minus 55? 10. What is cot square? 90 minus 80 is 10. Try the next one, students. See, you all have to answer. What is sine 35 into sine 35? What is x into x? So you're supposed to write sine square plus, and this one remains as it is. Can we use square relation? But see, this is 35, 35 is nothing but theta. Are the angles same, theta and theta? What is sine square 35 plus cos square 35? 1. Denominator, which relation can we use? Not reciprocal. Again, square relation, right? Hmm. What is cos square theta minus cot square theta, students? 1. See, 10 is nothing but theta. Theta is same. So the final answer is 1 divided by 1. The answer is 1. Did I teach you trigonometry table? How to write the entire table? No, right? No, do you all know the trigonometry table without looking? Okay, I'll teach you how to. So you should know both, so you should know how to write that entire table, or they'll give you a booklet. Already tables will be mentioned in that. So here the concept is, look at, I'll highlight. You keep this entire thing is one question. This is one. This is one. Total there are 3 questions. In that we kept first one as it is, we converted second. First one as it is, second. All the question convert the second one. All of you completed, done? Okay. Copy this question, students. See, in this question, this is one question, this is one, this entire thing is one. So how will you get to know? Whenever you have numerator and denominator, okay, and whenever you have two values, a and b, remember this, any one you can convert. You can keep denominator as it is, convert numerator. When you have two values like this, you keep a as it is, you convert b. Now before solving, I need all of you to answer. I'll keep cosec as it is. What is sec 73? This question. What is complementary of sec? Yes, right hand side arrow. For sec, what is the complementary? For sec, 90 minus, what is the angle given? 70. Next, I'll keep cot 22. For tan, what do we get? Cot 90 minus 68. I'll keep cosec square as it is. Sorry, cos square as it is. What is cos square, students? Yes, it is complementary, right hand side. Sin square 90 minus what is? Copy the question, copy the step, complete the answer. See, if you're done, just let me know, student. Don't tell me the answer. Okay, I want all of you to solve. If you tell the answer, other students might get confused. So just tell me if you've done. I'll discuss after some time. Tell me, Lima. Sure. Here, dear. What is complementary of cos? 90 minus what is the angle given? 46, right? Which question are you solving? No, no, this is not the second part, student. This should be here. Okay, this should be on this side. Now is it clear? Okay, all of you will copy the question first. See, when they started was 2008, they had given one question, 9 and 10. After that, they didn't give complementary questions. Okay. All of you will copy the question. Done? Okay. Pebbley, Deborah, done? Now convert this. Cosec, what is 90 minus 17? This complementary is very easy, students. If you convert everything, you'll cancel. 1 plus here, use square relation here. See, theta and theta value same. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Answer is 3. 3. Answer is 3. Okay, those who completed, will you all try the 23rd question? See, what might be the answer, students? If you convert both, you'll get 1 year, 1 plus 1, you should get 2. But complete it using the complementary. Copy the question. All of you done with this? Annam, Kefera, Deborah done? Dia? Okay, try this 23rd, students. Hmm. Okay, I'll solve that. Yes, I'll solve. First, let me complete this. Then I'll teach all table, students. Okay. Then from textbook, if any question is different, we'll do that. No, no, no. This is totally different. Try this. What is the complementary of sine? What do you get, students? Sine 25. Tell me, how do you solve this? Can we cancel them? Are they same to cancel? No, you can't cancel. Which relation we used here? No, no, no. Complementary. Remember this, whenever you use complementary, if you're not able to get the answer, use reciprocal after that. Keep cos square as it cos 65. What's the reciprocal of 6, students? Okay, if I can I write it separately like this? Just for you all to understand. Sin 65. What is the reciprocal? 1 by sec 65 is how much? No, no. 1 by sec 65 is cos 65. What is cos 65 into cos 65? Cos square 65. And here, what is 1 by cosec? You get sin square 65. Isn't it a sin square plus cos square? Theta is equal to what? See, this is reciprocal relation. Okay, just stay online, students. Complete. Give me 2 minutes. I'll come back. Okay, all of you done? Now I'll teach you table students. Okay. Later we'll solve few from Selena if it is different. If there is no time, we'll complete tomorrow because we need to teach you all table. Now, the order which I gave, same thing, follow the same sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So trigonometry is for which triangle? Which triangle we basically use? So right angle triangle, what's the angle? Right angle meaning 90. So maximum you'll have 90 degrees. What does that mean? There are four angles 0, 30, 45. All these are 9 standard topics to do. Mostly for 10th you don't get. Okay. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Remember these four angles. First thing, for sine you have to memorize the value. The value is 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 and 1. All of you will write this. Don't write. All of you will memorize this, students. So what are the five angles we have? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Memorize this sign. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. You'll remember this table. 9th standard you'll have this. All of you remember? Okay. Don't write, students. Within 5 minutes I'll make you do it without looking at that value. Is this clear? Did you all complete this? 0 of 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. For cos it is just the opposite. 1 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 and 0. So if you memorize sine, that is enough. For cos it is opposite. Next, for tan, what's the formula we studied? Quotient relation sine theta by, okay, which means you have to divide these two. What is 0 divided by 1? 0. Now take these two. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. If you rearrange, you get 1 by 2 multiplied by, what's the answer you get? No. 1 by root 3. Yes. For tan, you can use, you'll get 1 by root 3. What is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2? Yes, it gets cancelled, you get 1. Tell me the next one. Root 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 1. What is left? Next, what is 1 divided by 0? Anything divided by 0? Undefined. This is how you get tan value. Or tan is also simple, you can just memorize. 0, 1 by root 3. Don't write anything. Okay, don't write. 1 by root 3, 1. See, put this 1, put this root 3. And for cot, it is just the opposite. Undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Yes, just quickly go through these four. So if you know sine, cos, and for tan you have to divide, you'll get this value, cot. So if I ask you tan 60, what is tan 60, students? Answer is root 3. That is how you'll have to answer. The students done? Did you all go through? Okay, next. Use reciprocal relation. For sec, what is the reciprocal of sec? Cos. Reciprocal meaning, what is the reciprocal of 1? 1. What's the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is? And for this, but here it is under. And for cosec it is opposite. Aren't you find 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Is it clear? All of you understood? Any doubts in this, students? Any doubts how to write the table? Okay, once again, quickly, I want all of you all to respond. After that, you all have to try. What? Tell me, sign. What is the order you have to remember? Mm. And for cos, it is for tan. Which two you have to divide? See how simple it is, sine and cos. Or you can memorize 0 for sec. Is it clear? Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Write the table, students. I'll just show you all the first value. Or will you all complete without looking at this? All of you, will you all start? Okay, complete it. Sine cos tan cos. All of you done? Just check your answer, students. Shall we solve few questions based on this? See, in exam, you have to somehow go through the table, student. Okay. If you don't know, you can write this. How long did it take? Hardly 1 minute to do this. That's it. See, entire table within 1 minute you can write if you know the trick. Look at this question. Look at 31st question. Yeah, all of you will copy this question, students. 2016, 31st question. First copy that. You will copy the question. Okay. Now, concentrate. Only one question. Is 57 degrees given in table? Do you have 57 degrees? No. So keep 57 as it is. Convert this tan 23. Use complementary. What is the complementary for tan? Okay. Next. Is 44 given in the table? So keep 44 as it is. Multiplied by what is cosec? You come. See, whichever is not there in the table, use complementary, students. Use complementary. What is cosec 46? No, no, no. Complementary. But complementary, yes. Right hand side. I told you right hand side. Our values given 45 and 60. Okay, what is cos 45? Cos 45. Is it root 2? 1 by root 2. So this is where you use table. So wherever values are not given, use complementary minus root 2 into 1 by what is tan 60 degrees? And tan square is given, right? Root 3 the whole square. cosec square 57 minus, what's the value? Can we use square relation for this? What is cosec square theta minus cot square theta? 1. Next, cos 44 into what is, can we cancel them? Is it possible? No, right? So what did I tell students? If you can't cancel, which relation you have to use? Very good, reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sec? Can cancel that. We'll do that in next. What do you, root 2, root 2 get cancelled. What is root 3 the whole square? So what do we get? 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 3 minus is minus 4. The answer is minus 2. So what are the three things we used here? First we use complementary. Then we use, no, where square relation? Oh, complementary square relation. Then reciprocal. What else? Trigonometry. So this was all about complementary. Your Selinas will do tomorrow. What's the time? 32nd. But that is nothing related to complementary, right? Okay, let me see. So when do we use complementary square and trigonometry table, students? When do we use? Only when values are given. Can you see? Like this angle should be given 57, 33. Students done? Completed? That's it. So only one question. We'll continue tomorrow. It might take another half an hour. It's already time. Tomorrow we'll continue this and I'll start heights and distance. For heights and distance, see, remember, we need trigonometry table and reciprocal relation. Okay, so that's the reason I taught you all this order: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So left hand side reciprocal, right hand side complementary. The same you can use the table. Okay, you can complete all entire chapter using this trick: sine, cos, tan, cos, sec, cosec. Okay, Arti, remind me tomorrow about the question which you asked. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Fine, students. Do you all have any doubts?